Chapter 14 is called Trying to Discover. Besides the book project, the other exciting thing going on at school was the science fair. Since Teddy Jackson wasn't going to be my boyfriend, Melody and I were partners just like we planned. I couldn't wait for the science fair. I thought maybe it could help me find myself. If science could answer questions about the weather and nature, it had to be able to help answer what I was going to be when I grew up. Becky and Charlotte are doing a project on constellations, I said to Melody, and Teddy and Sophie are making a volcano. What are we going to do? I don't know, she said, but let's do something that'll win the blue ribbon. I've never won one before. Me neither, I said. We'd have to be really lucky to win the blue ribbon, though. But we're supposed to be lucky this year, Melody said. We should be able to get it. Mom overheard us. The science fair isn't about luck, she told us. It's about science. Discovery through using your senses. Sight, smell, sound, touch, and taste. Taste, I said. Let's do a project about ice cream. I can discover ice cream. That's not science, Melody said. That's dessert. Mom tried to help us. You should do an experiment, something you don't know the answer to before you begin, she said. Like what? I asked. Mom knew about these things because she used to be a plant scientist before she married Dad. A botanist, she said. Well, Mom said, a famous scientist once had her plants listen to different kinds of music to see if it would affect their growth. She put a plant in a room and played classical music in the room 24 hours a day, and in another room she played rock music. Did it make a difference? Melody asked. Yes, it did, Mom said. The plant that listened to classical music grew more than the one that listened to rock music. That's funny, I laughed. Plants don't like rock music. Melody said, maybe we should do something like that. I don't want to have music playing all the time, I said. I'll never get to sleep. Maybe we can do something else, like using different colored lights or water, Melody said. I know, I said. We can water the plants with different things. We'll give one orange juice, another soda, and one milk and see which one they like better. Melody laughed. Maybe we should feed one ice cream, too. So that weekend, we planted 4 pea plant seeds. We watered one with orange juice, one with milk, one with ginger ale, and one with plain water. Mom called that one our control. We compared the others to it. The plants didn't grow very well. The milk plant had one shriveled stem and smelled funny. The orange juice plant was just a pot of dirt. The water plant was small. In fact, the only plant that looked good was the plant we fed ginger ale. It was strong and green with a vine climbing up the stick. Plants like soda, Melody announced. We should tell the world. Everyone should water their plants with soda from now on. People could hose their lawns with ginger ale. Melody and I made big posters for the science fair. We made charts of each plant and wrote a report. The report was 4 pages long. I drew a leaf border on every page. We were very proud. This is our lucky year, Melody told me. We're definitely going to win the blue ribbon. And after the science fair hears about our project, we'll be famous. Maybe we'll be in the newspapers or on TV. I was excited too. Not only had Melody and I made an important scientific discovery, I might have discovered my talent. I could be a scientist. I could be like Albert Einstein, but I would comb my hair. Do you think the pea from the soda plant will taste like ginger ale? Melody asked. We looked at the plant. It didn't look like any peas were growing. Maybe it'll grow a pea pod by the science fair, I said hopefully. And that's the end of chapter 14.